Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can get our Robux back from avatar items. First of all, launch your browser and then get logged into your Roblox account. Once done, you will see a page like this. Here, select the gear icon, then select help and safety. In here, select the below option of violation. And as you do that, select support. After a couple seconds, you will get landed onto the support form. Under contact information, type in your username. Even though it is showing optional, I would recommend you to type each and everything that has been asked of you. For example, your email address, confirm your email address, the issue detail. Let's select PC under device type. And for type of help category, select help with purchases. And likewise, mention your problem. Also, don't forget to select the sub-help type, which could be the second or third option, or simply the first one. Now, once you have added each and everything, don't forget to describe your issue. Be very descriptive. Once done, send it. And after a couple days, Roblox will reach out to you via your email address. And this is how you can fix your problem. Thank you all for watching.